going to start Bhadram Karnebhihi Srunuyama Deva. In Vedas, there are what are called Shanti Mantras. These are prayers for peace. And usually when a Vedic chanting is started, there is a relationship between the teacher and the student, and there is a relationship between the teacher, student, and the master of both. And the guy behind me is the master of both. And for those of you who are watching on this live webcast, you can see that this altar is so beautiful, with Swami on one side of me and Shirdi Baba right in the back. And this relationship is very critical. When you go to a class, and this is especially for the students here, there is a relationship between you and your teacher. And that relationship is very precious, because if there is no student, the teacher is obsolete, isn't it? It doesn't really matter. If there is no student, there is no need for a teacher. If there is no teacher, then there is really nothing to learn and to connect to. So, this particular relationship is called the teacher-student relationship, and there are prayers associated with the peace between the student and the teacher. And the most common prayer we learn is Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahe. Everybody knows that. Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahe, Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Please repeat after me, because not everybody is chanting. Mr. Rajan, thank you. Sai Ram. Yeah? I am really most interested in these little students here than anybody else, because you are the ones that can catch this very fast. So the way it is chanted is Om Sahana Bhavatu, Om Sahana Bhavatu, Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam, 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 Karavavahe, 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 Tejasvinavadhitamastu, Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Hello. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe, ma vidvishavahe, ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sahana Bhavatu. Let us all be together. Sahana Bhavatu means that. Let us all be together. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Let us all be nourished together. Saha Viryam Karavavahe. Let us all work together in great vigor. The most important thing is in great vigor. That means you don't go to a class and you sit like this. Then you are not learning actively. When you go do some work, you don't sit like this. When bhajans are going on, you don't sit like this. When bhajans are going on, you sing. Sahaviryam karavavahe. Let us all participate in great vigor. Let us all do the work in great vigor. Tejas, connecting? No? Yeah. Listening? Yeah. Okay. Then the bulb goes on. Otherwise, no current flowing. Huh? When you are not connected, the current is not flowing. When you are connected, then the current is flowing. Right? When you are connected, the current is flowing. You understand that? Now you are able to listen to me so beautifully. Now I am talking like this. Can you listen to me? What's missing? Connection. Connection is missing. The connection is missing. And to connect to, how many holes are there here? 3 holes. How many pins are here? 3. When you try to connect, if you connect like this, will it connect? No. How does it need to connect? The hole and the pins should be aligned. And now when you connect, oh my God, the sound is so good. How many pins are there? 3. How many holes are there? 3. The first pin is body. The second pin is mind. The third pin is spirit. Oh yes. How many pins are there? 3. The first pin is? First pin is? Body. Second pin is? Mind. Third pin is? Your spirit. Yeah. So when those pins are connected, then the sound is much clear, very clear. So that is what it means, Sahaviryam karavavahe. Your body has to be connected. Your mind has to be connected. Your spirit has to be connected. If any one of the connection is missing, then what happened? No sound. Yeah, that's right. Okay? That is Sahaviryam karavavahe. When those connected, Tejasvinavadhitamastu, then the current flows and your intellects get illumined, and the children are actually doing a beautiful play, and the essence of the play is all about this connection to the current, and you will enjoy it for birthday. These kids can relate to what I am saying, right? Yeah, that's the connection. Once the connection is there, the current flows and the bulb lights, and the sound very clear. Tejasvinavadhitamastu means the bulb goes on, the current flows. Mavid vishavahai. Mavid vishavahai means let we not contradict one another. Let we not fight with each other. Because if you are not aligned and there is no unity, without unity, there is no purity. Without purity, there is no divinity. Vanama, what does that mean? Yeah, very good. That is the most, I like that kind of questions. Sorry for those of you online. Question is, what does that mean? What it means is, when you go play basketball, you play sports, right? You see pro sports like basketball, and then there are team-based sports. If one person is only playing on a basketball court, will the team win? No. Right? The team doesn't win. All the 5 people have to play. When you are playing soccer, same thing, right? Everybody has to play. If only one guy is playing and the rest of them are watching, then it is not a sport anymore. Right? You understand what I am saying? Am I saying something very complex? Huh? Very complex? No? Yes? Okay. So that is what it means. And when somebody is playing, when a game is played, not everybody can shoot the ball. Some guys has to defend, some guys have to be offensive, some guys have to be defensive, some guys have to strategize. So when doing that, that is what a team means. There will be some people that will be simply playing harmonium. There will be some people that will be playing only tabla. Some people singing. There is one guy that tells who sings and who doesn't sing. You cannot fight with him. That is Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Let us not contradict each other and let there be peace, peace and peace. Look, is there anything about Hinduism in this prayer? Is there anything about Hindu gods or Hinduism in this prayer? No. What is this about? This is about a human being, how to live. This is about telling the people how to live with each other. And that's why Veda is not based on any religion. That's why Swami says learning Veda is to become a better human being. It's nothing to do with Hinduism. It's nothing to do with any of the stuff we think. And I explained to you the meaning. It is all about how to become a better human being. That is what is called the Shanti prayers. And the first Shanti prayer you learnt is Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhavatu. Second one is called Bhadrang Karnebhihi Srunu Yama Devaha. Bhadrang Karnebhihi. Everybody should be playing. That means everybody should be chanting, everybody should be listening or speaking when you have a question in your mind. Not a single person should be quiet. Otherwise, we are not playing basketball. We are playing tennis against some machine. Everybody should participate. Okay, that's how the Veda has to be learned. Everybody has to say. Doesn't matter whether you say it right, wrong, you pronounce properly, all that stuff, leave it. Swami will take care of it. He will be there to help us. But don't be inhibited. Don't say, oh, this is not for me. I can't be saying those words. No, that's not true. Everybody can say those words. Bhadrang Karnebhihi Srunuyama Devaha Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatrah Om Bhadrang Karnebhi Bhadram Karnebhi Bhadram Karnebhi Srunuyama Devaha Srunuyama Devaha Srunuyama Devaha Om Bhadrang Karnebhi Srunuyama Devaha Om Bhadram Karnebhi Srunuyama Devaha Om Bhadram Karnebhi Srunuyama Devaha. What's his name? I'm sorry. Pavan, Air Force. I'm sorry. Forgot your name suddenly. Chant, Kana. Please chant. Huh? Don't get stopped. It's okay. You will get it. Right? Yeah. Don't worry about whether you are doing it. Chant. Just say the words. Om Bhadrang Karnebhi Srunuyama Devagam. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Srunuyama Devagam. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Srunuyama Devagam. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatraham. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatraham. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatraham. Car clashes. Bhadram Pasye. Pa is up, huh? In your give me your this thing. I'll show you what is happening here. when you are following the English thing, Bhadram Pasye. So Pa is up, She is flat. Bhadram Pasye. Pa is, there is a dash on the top of it, vertical line. So the Pa is up, not Bhadram Pasye. Not correct. Pin is not connected properly. Okay, that's what is the pin connection means. The swaram has to be perfect so that the current flows properly. That's why the mantras have that energy associated with it. Bhadram Pasye.
Bhadram Pasye. Bhadram Pasye.
You say only what I say. Okay, so that there is no Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragha.
Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragha. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragha.
Can you show him where we are chanting? Yeah. Everybody, these first classes will be like this. I really want everybody to be connected. If I simply come and I can say and you repeat and I go, there is no point. We are not learning together. So I will be very tough. I'll be very hard, disciplined, yeah. And you have to chant and you have to learn like that. Otherwise what happens is, you will come, 2 Sundays you will come, 3rd Sunday, oh, this stuff is not really for me. But then when you go sign up for swimming classes and you pay money for it, you push your children, go swimming, we are paying money, come on, let's go, right? Yeah, this kid can relate to what I'm saying. So but Veda class, it's okay, you know, Swami will be there anyway. Veda class, oh come on, this stuff is too boring. And you come and you sit here and you listen and you go, there is no point. We are not learning. I don't care about number of people come. If only 3 come and the 3 really are focused, disciplined, they practice at home, they practice this stuff, they understand what it is, that is the purpose to be fulfilled for this class. Otherwise, no point. Okay? So, if you are not knowing what I am saying, raise your hand and ask me, excuse me, what are you saying? But I cannot be simply looking at a face and no. What's this? No? No? Thank you. Connected. Pavan. Let's get connected. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragam.
Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragam. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragam.
Those 2 together. Om
Bhadram Karne Vishrunuyama Deva. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragam. Om Bhadram Karne Vishrunuyama Deva. Bhadram Pasye Makshabhir Yajatragam.
Sthirairangai.
Sthirairangai. Sthirairangai.
Stushtuvagum.
Stushtuvagum. Stushtuvagum.
Sthirairangai Stushtuvagum.
Sthirairangai Stushtuvagum. Sthirairangai Stushtuvagum.
Stushtuvagum. That is what is Stushtuvagum. Then when I explain the meaning, you will understand what it is. Sthirairangai Stushtuvagum.
Sthirairangai Stushtuvagum. Sthirairangai Stushtuvagum.
Sastanubhihi.
Sastanubhihi. Sastanubhihi.
स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं सस्तनूभिः Slowly the number of voices are dropping. So everybody should be chanting. I can figure out how the bandwidth slowly disappears, like the number of bars on the cell phone going down, like that. Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhigim.
Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhigim. Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhigim.
Vyashemadevahitam.
Vyashemadevahitam. Vyashemadevahitam.
Vyashema.
Vyashema. Vyashema.
Devahitam.
Devahitam. Devahitam.
Vyashema devahitam.
Vyashema devahitam. Vyashema devahitam.
Yadayuhu.
Yadayuhu. Yadayuhu.
Vyashema devahitam. Yadayuhu.
Vyashema devahitam. Yadayuhu. Vyashema devahitam. Yadayuhu.
Everybody, only men should chant now until what you learned. Bhadram karnebhi until yadayuhu. Only men. Om
Bhadram karnebhi shrunuyama deva. Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatra. Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhighi. Vyashema devahitam yadayuhu.
Now I am going to make only Pavan chant. Ready? Okay, next time that will happen. So everybody should chant. One more time, gents. Om
Bhadram karnebhi shrunuyama deva. Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatra. Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhighi. Vyashema devahitam yadayuhu.
Very good. 95%. One place. Bhadram pasye, not Bhadram pasye, not that. Okay. The pa is up. I can tell who actually said that also in the class. That's the level of focus that will be there. So it's not pasye, not that. Bhadram pasye, pasye, pa is up. Okay. Ladies, now do better than what they did. Om
Bhadram karnebhi shrunuyama devaha. Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajtraha. Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhighi. Vyashema devahitam yadayuhu.
Very good. 99%. Everybody together.
Bhadram karnebhi shrunuyama deva. Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatra. Sthirairangai-istuštuvagum sastanubhighi. Vyashema devahitam yadayuhu.
One more time.
Om रङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवापुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः.
What does that mean? Bhadram karnebhihi shrunuyama devah. Devah means, O divine forces within me. O divine forces within me. What does that mean? Is Nandita thinking divine force within me? When we are engaged in various endeavors, there is an energy that is associated with you to undertake that work. You are seeing, you are hearing, you are speaking, you are smelling, you are walking, you are talking. Right? Nandita, yes? Yeah. Who do you think is doing that? How is all that happening? I'll tell you very simply. There are these incredibly smart people called artificial intelligence neuronal networks engineers. Very smart people. They are still trying to figure out how a hand movement like this occurs. And they're trying to construct all complex networks and see how to program something, a robot, just to do very seamlessly, something like that. They're trying to understand how to seamlessly have an eyelid go up and down like that. How is that happening? How are we hearing? How are we seeing? How are we smelling? How are we walking? How are we talking? Yes, Pawan? Huh? Nothing. Okay. If the light bulb goes on, don't hesitate. Okay. So, you can have a dead body and a live body. There are eyes, there is nose, there is everything is there for a dead body and also the body that is alive, isn't it? All the organs are there. Everything is perfect, crystal clear condition it is there. Huh? But what's not happening? Huh? Hello? Speak loud, Rajan. Connection is off. This is the one that is going to be the theme for the life. Connection is off. And when that connection is, where is that connection coming from? Yeah. Light. Yeah. So, Deva means there is some divine force that is making you do this stuff so seamlessly, because you can understand, I can tell you very clearly, when somebody is paralyzed, they will know, oh my God, what happened all this time? I'm taking this for so granted. All of a sudden, that part is cut off. What happened? This is what this mantra is talking about. Bhadrang karnebhihi shrunuyama devah. O divine forces within me, let all my listening capability be secure and safe. Bhadrang karnebhihi. Let it all be safe and secure. Shrunuyama deva. Karnebhihi means ears. Karna means ear. Karnebhihi means 2 ears. Bhadram. Let them be in their exact position to do what? Shrunuyama. To listen. There are 2 words. Listen and hear. Listen and hear. What's the difference, Tejas?
Listen, you're concentrating on what the other person's saying. Hearing, you're just like letting it go through your head.
Yeah, very good. For those of you on the phone, because last class I didn't repeat what people said. So Tejas here, the effulgence, says that listening means you are really paying attention to the other person, whereas hearing is something is very simply, some sound is coming inside you. Is that what you said? Yeah, exactly right. Are you in the class now listening or hearing, Pawan? Listening? Okay, good. That's what should happen. When you listen and when you hear, what's the difference? Yes?
Listening means when someone is, you have to concentrate when someone is talking, and hearing is when someone is saying something and you hear them.
Yeah, very nice. You have to concentrate. What does that mean? That means no thought, nothing else is happening. See, there is an expression in English. You say, when somebody feels that you are not listening to them, there is an expression in English. What do you say? I am all ears. Please tell me. Huh? I am all ears. That means what? No, I am all ears. Not my ears are new. Not that. I am all ears. Don't we say that? Yeah. What does that mean? I am all ears means Bhadrang karnebhi shrunuyama deva. I am all ears, O divine forces, to listen to you. Bhadram karnebhi shrunuyama devaha. Bhadram pasye ma akshabhir yajatraha. Bhadram pasye. Pasye means to see. Pashya means to see. Ma akshabhir yajatraha. Ma means our. Akshabhihi. Akshu means eye. Akshabhihi means two eyes. You are completely seeing without any, let me see you, without any diverted attention. When you go to Swami to see Swami, when he comes out for darshan, you're sitting for 4 hours, 5 hours, the back is hurting, the legs are paining, all the mosquitoes, all the flies are coming, it's hot like hell. But when he comes out, do you pay attention? At least many of us. Will we pay attention to anything else? We are all eyes, just focused on him. All of the rest of the stuff, until then, you see people doing like this, and some people just sitting like this, some people like this, and but Swami comes out for darshan, what happens? Wide awake. That is what it means. Bhadram pashye ma akshabhir yajatraha. Let me be all attention and focus to see the divinity. That's what it means. Sthirairangaihi stushtvagum sastanubhihi. Sthirai means let them be stable. Angaihi, all my limbs. Stushtvagum sastanubhihi. Let they be very solid. Let they be like steel to do your work. That's what it means. Let all my organs be solid, stable like steel to do your work. That is to do service. To see, to hear, to do the work. That's called Trikarana. To see, to hear, and to do the work. Sthirairangai stushtvagum sastanubhi. For what? Vyashema devahitam yadayuhu. Let my life be spent towards only doing your work. Vyashema devahitam yadayuhu. Devahitam means let me engage my lifespan, majority of it, in doing your work. Hello? Can we all think about this when we go home tonight? Yeah. 2 hours on a Sunday, my God. What a problem we have to come and just spend 2 hours on a Sunday. How much we have to struggle to do that. If it doesn't happen on a Sunday morning Veda class, nobody will come. Why? Because it's convenience. It's not comfortable for us. To do Swami's work, we need to be thinking about our comfort. Don't do anything that, don't repeat at home, is that what they say. It hurts you. But look at Swami. He's doing everything. all what he does is only for the humanity. No other aspect even crosses his mind. You understand? That's why it's called Meenakshi. He's the Meenakshi. You know what it Meenakshi means? Huh? Ladies? Meenakshi means? Meena means fish. Akshi means eyes. The one who has eyes like fish. Yeah, that's what Chitra is exactly right. But the real inner meaning of it is, fish really has no eyelids. It never even closes, it has no ability to even close the eyes. And fish can hatch its eggs just by looking at the eggs. No, that's not true. He's thinking, yeah, what? Yeah, really, kidding me, come on. How does that happen? That's really cool. Huh? Yeah. So, like that, Swami doesn't even wink his eyes to take care of his children. No, he doesn't blink. That means he is constantly only thinking about the children, nothing else. And the egg transformed into the fish, very simply, when he looks at us, we are transformed too. That's what it means, the looking transformation process. When he looks at you, you are transformed. Transformed from a lower self to the higher self. Yashema devahitam yadayuhu. Now you see, brothers and sisters and dear children, chanting the mantra without knowing what it is, at least attempting to know what it is a huge difference. Now when you chant the mantra, what it is after you have listened to this, your mind and your intellect gets focused on the intent of the mantra. When we chant like that, Sahana Bhavatu, that means let us all be together. Already that feeling comes. Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavityankaravagai Teja Svinavadhitamastu Mavid Vishavahai. Now there is a confidence in chanting. Why? Because you know what you are chanting, you know what it means, and now that's the power of the mantra. Yes? Amma, 3 hands. Your name is Swati, very beautiful, yeah. Yes? No laughing, yeah. Saira. Enna kana? You don't know. Okay, that's fine. That's also what happens to most of us when we go in front of Swami. Until then we want to say so many things to him. All my plans, everything. Swami comes, em samacharam. Nothing happens. Oh. Have you experienced that? No? Nothing happens. Because the mind, the moment it connects to that, it goes really blank. Okay, let's all now, you are all sleeping now. Yes, ma'am. That's a very good question. Why are we talking about only hearing, seeing and other things? Why not any other thing like walking, talking and those kind of things? Yeah. Yes? Why are we not singing? Yeah. Okay. See, there are 3 things. Remember, there is knowledge is acquired by a human being by several ways. The first one is called perceptual knowledge. The second one is called instinct. And the third one is called intuition. This is the basis of a knowledge of a human being. The first one is perceptual knowledge. This perceptual knowledge is gained by what you see, what you hear, what you do. This is how a human being begins to learn things. What you see, But even before what you see, it's by what you hear. When the child is in the mother's womb, there is only one thing the child is doing actually, listening. That's how the knowledge process starts, by listening. The second is by seeing. And the third is by doing. Make sense? Prahlada became the greatest bhakta by what? By listening to the mother's, what Narada told to his mother in the womb. And this is scientifically proven. At what stage would Sridevi? Listening ability of a fetus starts. Go check it out on google.com and you will find...
You just said the answer. You said fetus.
8 weeks of age of the fetus that the listening capability starts. So that's why first listening. Then the next one is talking, seeing. When the womb comes out, the child comes out, the first recognition pattern is seeing. That's why they say, oh, the child is able to fix its eye, they say. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Now this Veda mantra is saying exactly that. Let me all be ears while I am in the womb actually to listen to you. And let me see you. And then let me do the work. Then the child starts doing the work. It starts to actually recognize its own body parts by putting in the mouth, by seeing it, touching it, doing like this, all that stuff that happens by doing it. That's how it starts. Answer your question? Okay. Om
Bhadram karnevi shrunuyama devaः Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatraः Shirairangai stushtuvapunsastanobihi Yashema devahitam yadayuhu.
Is there a difference between chanting before and now? Huh? Shruti, what's the difference? Came down. Om Bhadram karnevi shrunuyama devaः
Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatraः Sthirairangai srushtuvapunsastanobihi Yashema devahitam yadayuhu.
Only 80% chanting, 20% still listening. That's good, but please chant. Huh? Om
Bhadram karnevi shrunuyama devaः Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatraः Sthirairangai srushtuvapunsastanobihi Yashema devahitam yadayuhu.
Swasti na Indro
Swasti na Indro Swasti na Indro
Vruddhasravaः
Vruddhasravaः Vruddhasravaः
Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaः
Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaः Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaः
Swasti nah Pusha
Swasti na Pusha Swasti na Pusha
Vishvavedaः
Vishvavedaः Vishvavedaः
Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaः
Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaः Swasti na Indro Vruddhasravaः
Swasti nah Pusha Vishvavedaः
Swasti स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो
अरिष्ठनेमिः
अरिष्टनेमिः अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्ठनेमिः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नो
स्वस्ति नो स्वस्ति नो
बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
बृहस्पतिर्दधातु बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
Voice down.
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
बृहस्पतिर्दधातु बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्ठनेमिः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. This Om Shanti 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 should be said like that. The Vedic way of saying the Shanti is Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om
Shanti Shanti Shanti.
How many Shantis? Three. The first two times Shanti down, Shanti Shanti. Third is up. Two times going inside, one time going outside. Two times going inside, one time going outside. Spend most of your time going where? Ah, that's the point. Once you are connected to yourself, then obviously you will be so peaceful that when people see you, obviously the peace radiates out of you. But if there is no connection inside, then there is no peace coming out. Prashanti means that, peace radiating outside. Yes, somebody has a question. Chandrasekhar, yeah. Why three times? First connection is to the body. Second connection is to the mind. Third connection to the universe. Oh wow. I like this. When the kids are saying, oh wow, that means the light bulb is going off. Yes. Arishta. Arishta. Arishta Nemihi. Okay. So only gents now. All the mantra. Om
Bhadram Karnevi Shrunuyama Deva Bhadram Pashyem Vakshabhiryajatraha श्रीरङ्गैः स्तुष्ट्वा पुंसस्तनोभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Very good. 88%. Yes, Nandita.
Shanti means peace.
Shanti means peace. Yes. What's the spelling of peace?
P-E-A-C-E.
Very good. There is also another peace. P-I-E-C-E. That is also peace. This is the beauty of English language. Both that are totally opposite can spell the same way. You have to figure it out. Which peace are they talking about? Okay. Okay. So P-I-E-C-E means pieces, broken. So breaking everything is P-I-E-C-E. Bringing everything together is P-E-A-C-E. Okay. Bringing everything together. In reality, everything is all pieces only. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4. Everything is all different pieces. But to bring it all together is the peace. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ladies now. Om
भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
4 people get 98%. The rest of them are not chanting. I can hear them. 4 people are chanting on the ladies' side, but that's okay. 4 is better than nobody chanting. So everybody together. Om
भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Very good. And all of this class is recorded, video recorded. So I will send the link to brothers here and they can send it to you. My request is please practice at home. Please practice. If you don't, when you practice at home, it's not like looking at it, and you have to say the mantra loud and you have to express yourself. Otherwise you won't be connected again. So please, because that's the most important thing. The second thing is, I think in November we wouldn't be having classes because there are so many things happening in November. The first, because the second and fourth Sundays, both are actually, the second one is Gab. Second one is, second is Sunday 8th, which is we have the Akhand Bhajan. So please participate. Sahaviryam Karavavahe. Everybody should come together and work in great vigor. Sahaviryam Karavavahe. That is what it means. So please participate in the gap. And all the 12 hours. Not just come sing your bhajan and go, showing your performance to Swami. But everybody has to offer our prayers to Swami. Yes? Sairam? Yes. No, there should be only one copy. Somehow you got a different copy. There should be the one with, that one. And what we'll do is, if you can upload that to the center website, the Yahoo group, then if people want to print it, it will be available. So that's the file upload. Okay. And then the second thing, so that's the second Sunday we have the Unity Akhand Bhajan. And then there is the last Sunday is the Thanksgiving. The fourth Sunday is Thanksgiving. Oh, 22nd is a birthday program. So because of that, yes, Vishwambar. Huh? I can't hear you. How did I already know the mantra? Oh, then you should be sitting here and explain the meaning to people. Huh? Okay, very good. Excellent. And if you already know, it's very important that you come and chant so others will get inspired by you. They say, oh, look at that Vishwambar, already knows everything. And then Pavan and everybody will learn from you. Okay? Okay, good. Now, why only me? I love you, dude. That's why. Okay. So that's the fourth Sunday is we have Swami's birthday. So we will resume the class again on the second. One request was to do it every week because there is continuity. If I see you once in a while, then the connectivity is a little bit shaky. Yes? You agree? Okay. So let's maybe from December onwards, let's try to do it every week so that we at least 1 hour will have. So let's close with Sai Ishwarai with Mahe 3 times and then we can disperse from here to the classes. Is that okay? Okay. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's repeat this, O Lord.
Let it flow in the fullness of devotion to Thee. O Lord, take my hands and let them work incessantly for Thee. O Lord, take my soul and let it be merged in one with Thee. O Lord, take my thoughts and let them be continued with Thee. O Lord, take my everything and let me be incessant with one thought.
भद्रं कर्णे भी सुन्याम. Om Shanti